everyone, you now have your own calendar that you will do daily, just like I do. If you look over here on the left side, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. They're all the same. So you have a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, and a Thursday. So when you are in your Google Classroom, you would click on You Do Calendar all week. When you click on that, it will open up the directions for you. And it says, watch my introduction to student calendar video. You're doing that right now. After that, it says complete 1. You see that? 1 slide a day. Do not mark as done or turn in until Thursday, because you need it all week, okay? So let's look back at it so we know what we are doing. So we're going to pretend it's Monday. So we're on the first one. It says drag these days to fill in the boxes below. So you just click and drag, okay? Over here, you type the date, just like I have been doing in Word form. So if it is September, then I can highlight all of this and start typing September, okay? Let me put it back. This is where you will do the date, just like in numbers, like I do. Remember, if you don't know some of this, look at my video. Use it to help you. It's a resource for you. Over here it says drag this oval over the month. So what month is it right now? We would drag this circle over the right month. Okay? You're going to drag this X to mark what day it is on the calendar. See how everything is movable? So when you finish that on Monday, you would just X out. You don't turn it in. You don't mark as done. You just X out because you did your job. On Tuesday, you're going to come do the same thing. Okay, you'll drag the days. You'll circle what month it is with the oval. You'll type the date in words. You will type the date in numbers. And you will move the X over to what day it is on the calendar. And again, you'll X out. You won't turn it in, and you won't mark as done. Only when you get down to Thursday. After you finish Thursday and you've done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then you can go back to your classroom and mark as done or turn in. Okay? And remember, my calendar is there for you to use as a resource.